You have to watch out. Put the cucumber in boiling water and blanch it. This method is something 99% of people have likely never seen or tried. However, a dish like this at a restaurant costs 58 yuan, while at home, you can make it for less than 5 yen. Put a handful of bamboo shoots and a few pieces of black fungus and add a spoonful of sugar to help the ingredients soak faster. Pour in the right amount of warm water to dissolve the sugar. Cover the bowl and let it soak for about 15 minutes. Next, prepare cucumbers. About 3. Place them in a stainless steel bowl, add a spoonful of white salt and a little flour, and pour in water to wash the cucumbers thoroughly. This step removes dirt and any pesticide residue from the surface, and rinse them under running water. Once clean, cut off the 2 ends of the cucumber, as these parts have a poor taste and are not suitable to eat. Boil a pot of water and blanch the cucumbers for 10 seconds. Do not blanch them for too long. Blanching removes the raw, green taste of the cucumber, improves its texture, and helps eliminate any remaining pesticide residue. After blanching, take the cucumbers out and cool them down. Then use the side of a knife to lightly smash them. Cut the cucumbers into small pieces and place the cucumber pieces into a glass bowl. Add 5 grams of sugar to the cucumbers. Many people use salt to marinate cucumbers, but that makes them overly salty. Using sugar gives the cucumbers a sweet, crisp taste that's much better. Mix the cucumbers with sugar and let them marinate for 10 minutes. Chop 1 coriander into small pieces. Slice a few millet peppers into rings. Mince a handful of garlic, crushing it as much as possible to enhance its aroma. Place the chopped ingredients on a plate. Then take out some preserved eggs. The color of the preserved egg is golden yellow, made with eggs or duck eggs. Many people don't know this. Cut each preserved egg into quarters, arrange them neatly on a plate, and set them aside. By this time, the bamboo shoots and black fungus should be fully soaked. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water, then boil them in water for 1 minute. You can add a little salt to the water while cooking the ingredients. After boiling, drain the water and place the bamboo shoots and black fungus in a bowl. The cucumbers should also be fully marinated by now. Pour the excess cucumber water into a small bowl. Don't throw it away, as it will be used later. In a large mixing bowl, combine the bamboo shoots, black fungus, cucumbers, garlic, millet pepper, and 28 pieces of peanuts. Add coriander, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, sesame oil, and a touch of chili oil or red oil, optional for those who don't like spicy flavors. Finally, wear disposable gloves and mix everything evenly. Place the mixture on a plate. Don't waste the cucumber water saved earlier. Pour it directly over the preserved eggs for added flavor. Your beautiful and delicious cold cucumber dish is ready. It's crispy, refreshing, and full of flavor. The preserved egg, bamboo shoots, and black fungus give it a richer texture and taste. This dish looks impressive and tastes even better. If you enjoyed this recipe, save it and try it out. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.